My name's Ed.
Ed.
And I'm just a pizza enthusiast.
Oh, very nice, Ed.
The guy who likes to toss dough in the air.
That'd be great. Look at that. And you make your own dough.
Make my own dough. Well, it's a 3-day cold fermentation process.
Okay.
I lived in New York City for 20 years and decided I want to recreate the pizza that I loved so much when I was in New York. 400, 500, 600 batches later, I think I actually nailed it.
You have it.
Yeah, so a lot went into
it is an honor to have you come out here and use Forno de Pizza
Yeah.
HPC Fire. That is
I'm
excellent.
excited about this.
It's beautiful. I mean, it really does. I mean, that looks like it's got nice bubbles in there, so it's fermented very well.
It's the first time I've ever used a high temperature oven.
Okay.
So this will be exciting.
I think it's going to work.
Yeah.
I think so.
I hope
Well,
so.
thank you very much.
You bet.
We'll see you soon. Hugo's HPC Fire inspired. So we have a couple different kinds of wood that I brought today. And so a lot of people ask, what kind of wood should we be using on the pizza oven? Well, the best kind of wood to use in a pizza oven is actually oak. Oak burns, has really high BTUs, it burns super hot, and it doesn't smoke. So, come and check these out. Got going right now, Ed?
I'm just spinning up a regular dough and then put it in there. Just probably stretch it as much as I can. You can put the banana pizza together.
So you're going to be making a banana pizza. Very, very cool.
Somebody taught me how to do it.
Okay, perfect. I think that sounds delicious. So what's in the banana pizza?
Cinnamon sugar coating. We're going to cut up a banana, and we're going to put cheese on top of the banana and the cinnamon sugar.
And that's all you're going to do?
All it is. Then I'm going to eat it.
And then you're going to eat it. Well, we can't wait to do that. Excellent.
We're very much looking forward to the banana pizza.
Have you ever tried a banana pizza?
Well, yes. About 15 minutes ago.
15 minutes ago, isn't it?
And we're looking forward to a second one.
Okay, so there was a surprise, a good surprise?
Good surprise.
Very, very nice.
Oh, I love the oven.
Yeah.
It retains heat exceptionally well.
Yeah.
Distributes the heat around
Sure.
the oven,
Yes.
which is really nice. Because
Yes.
It's sort of like convection. It's hot throughout.
Yes.
Just enough smoke to impart flavor.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
It's a terrifically sturdy design, which you don't see from some of the offerings that people have out there.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is really a clever design. It's easy to use.
Yeah.
Very easy to move the temperature up, down, adjust it as you need to.
Sure.
This is a terrific oven, for sure.
Great. And now you've developed your own dough,
I did.
and you've tried it, several hundred of them.
Exactly. I made my COVID project developing New York style pizza dough.
Okay. Very cool.
And that's what I'm using today. I've had some success. Just have to play around with it a little bit, and I've learned how to get exactly what I'm looking for, which is a crispy underside. I'm looking to cook the cheese from the top. Everything about this oven has been fairly easy for me to figure out after several tries, which is great because first trying an outdoor oven, you don't know what you're going to get.
And you got the banana pizza in there.
Got the banana pizza in there.
Very nice.
Just got time.
Okay.
just figure out the proper balance of gas, wood, right? Temperature, balance, heat of the stone. Once you figure that out, it's not taking me that long to figure out, you're going to have a good sense for exactly what to do every time to launch a pizza. Surface really hot, which is what you want.
Yes.
You want a crispy underside to the pizza. Be good.
Sounds like you're kind of a very, very experienced pizza maker.
Yeah, I've had a lot of fun making and eating pizza.
That's cool.